Maybe I annoy you with my choices. Well, you annoy me sometimes too with your voice. But that ain't enough for me to move out and move on. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. We don't have to hurry, but you can take as long as you want. I'm holding steady and my heart's at home. With my hand behind you, I will catch you if you fall. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. Sometimes the world can make you feel you're not welcome anymore. And you beat yourself up, you let yourself get mad. And in those times when you stop loving the woman I adore, you can relax because babe, I got your back. I got you. I don't wish to change you, you got it under control. You wake up each day different, another reason for me to keep holding on. I'm not attached to any way you're showing up. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love.
Always feel like this every time you pass by with your amazing smile.
Every time you go, you can see in my eyes I'm not the same kind of girl.
All our friends are coming here tonight,
And everybody's asking me if you'll be there to dance with me.
there'll be music everywhere, a little bit of wine and everyone you know. They'll be having fun, I know. So please, 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 there'll be music everywhere. Hang the color lights and sing some reggae songs. We'll be having fun, I know. So please, please stay. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh.
I keep some funny pictures of you at the beach where we just waste our time.
It's always better when you're around. And if you don't mind, please change your mind, and we could be together and take our time tonight.